I don't know. I'm doing this video, whatever it takes, even with the baby. Hey you guys, so I'm having to do a bootleg introduction to this video. Sorry, I know it's like not the best, but my camera sometimes I've complained about it enough for you guys to know that I do have a difficult time with my camera sometimes. I'm pissed. Okay, I'm actually pretty upset that it did not record like it was supposed to. So I'm kind of like doing a video vlog about it. I have my son right here, so it's not real quiet right now. Sorry. Duty calls. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and let you get on with the rest of the video. Please subscribe. Help me out. Okay? All right, bye. Okay, you guys, so I've wet the sponges and I am going to be posting pictures in this video clip so you can see how the sponges look side by side when they're wet and when they're dry. I will say that the Pinpoint and the Shape and Sculpt one definitely maximized in shape. So I didn't purchase two at the same time, sorry. That way you can just go ahead and see it on camera side by side. So I just decided to take pictures. You get all four of these sponges all together as a set, and they normally cost $66 right now. So whenever I post this video and you go to the website and it's not this price, I'm sorry, but right now, because I don't know how long the sale is going to last for, right now they're on sale for $44, which is actually really good because normally one beauty blender costs $20. So just saying, you're getting four for the price of two beauty sponges. But we're gonna see, like, is it really necessary to have all these shapes and stuff, and how well does it really work? Check it out. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and use Dust Colors foundation. I'm gonna mix the shades 126 and 127. They're both medium tan, but they both look different, and I put on way too much. So I will not be doing eyeshadow or anything like that on here. Strictly, it's just gonna be about the sponges. So let's go ahead and get started on that. Okay, let's see how it does. So I don't know, I think maybe I'll do like a comparison, like side by side, which one can blend in the like contour or concealer better. So I'm not gonna try this one because I already know how this performs. I want to try this out. I'm gonna do on one side of my face and I'm gonna use the base part of it. Let's see how well it blends in the makeup. So it's really squishy. And it seems like it's doing a really beautiful job with blending it out as well. Like I said, I'm just gonna do like half of my face. I'm gonna give me a different hair. Sorry, I take a while to blend, so. I think I did a really good job. You guys wanna see it up close? All right, so let's go ahead and blend the other side. So for the other side, I'm curious. I don't know if I should use the flat side or use the booty of this one. I think I'm gonna just go ahead because I think I'm gonna try to sculpt with this one. So let's try the butt of this too, and maybe the sides as well. I like the colors as well. They're super cute, nice and neutral colors. Okay, I like this sponge a lot. I felt like this one blended out the foundation like faster than the other one. They're both still really good. They both blend it out nicely. They're both super squishy. Like, let me get this part though. Can't be missing places. Be looking crazy. Let's go ahead and do concealer and see how well these two do with the concealer. I'm gonna use the same concealer, but I'm going to see how the Shape and Sculpt and the Pinpoint do. I'm really interested in these two because these are essentially the same sponge, but one is just bigger. That's pretty much it. These two are different shapes. So I want to just see, like, they seem like they have pretty much the same point as well. You know what I mean? They seem like they could both relax, but this one is just thicker. So this one's thinner for its handling. I don't know if that really matters to anybody, but we're gonna see. We're gonna compare the two. how well the sponge can get into the corner of my eye. Now that I'm all concealed, I know most people like for their concealer to sit a little bit, but I'm just gonna go ahead and just go right into it. I'm gonna prep my powder, and I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the Sculpt and Shape sponge, and let's see how it does. So I'm not really feeling this one for concealer, to be honest. I'm gonna tell you why. The tip is so flimsy, okay? Like, it's just really flimsy. Versus this one, you see that this tip is thicker than this one. So it just bends so much versus how this would work. Let's go ahead and try this one as well to go ahead and finish it out. I like how it's more sturdy when it comes to blending in the inner corner. It is not really like bending so much while I'm blending. Okay, so that's that. Let's try the other side. Pinpoint, let's see how it does. And I'm gonna use my dominant hands. So already, I like this sponge a lot better than the other one. It does still bend some, but I think because it's so much bigger at the tip, still, like it's able to kind of get into the inner corner better because it's not so flimsy at the tip. See, you can still get into the inner corners a lot. Yeah, see, it's just like, it's almost kind of, it smushes right in. I don't know, I don't really like that one. So now that that's done, let's go ahead and set. I'm gonna go ahead and use this for setting. I use the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Let's see how it does. No, I don't like it. It's like, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's like breaking up. Another thing that I've noticed with this sponge, I've never used it and it's already kind of like tearing up. You see that? I mean, it's a sponge, you know, but I normally get that over time. I don't normally get that like right before I use it the very first time. I don't know. You might need to go in with this sponge and see how this does for setting. A lot better. I'm gonna show you. You know, it's kind of creased a little bit. You don't see, this looks more textured, it has these little frou-frou pieces right here. And this one is just like smoothed out. Hopefully you guys can see that. Okay, let's go into contouring, bronzing, yada, yada, yada. See how well it does for this to blend it out. Okay, let's use this side because I'm curious how this will be because I want to set underneath to see how that will do. So. All right, let me just use the other side. I don't know. Let me try the other side. When you're doing makeup, especially as a mother, you want things to be easy and not complicated, like seamless, you know? Try this out. see that this is versus this side. Now it leaves it kind of slouchy, and I mean, I could keep going, you know, obviously. I'm gonna go back with this. Fair chance, fair chance. Okay, so still, to me, this is doing a better job. I'm gonna come up close so you can see it all. Still have to do more blending though. I'm gonna leave this side not as blended well because I would want to, you know, give you guys more of a comparison at the end. Now let's try sculpting like it said it should be able to do. I'm gonna use this side to sculpt. I'm gonna use this Fenty one and see how it does with that. Kind of see it. Let's see how it does. Come from here, and I like that. Let's see how the pinpoint does. I don't know, should I try like? Okay, so you could do it the normal way with the round end, obviously. And you could probably also get it in with this, but I want to see how it would do on the side, like if I were to like blend it this way. Let me just see. Okay, I should have known that was an L. Not that good. And let's just try the butt of the sponge and see how it does with that. That's okay. This side does better. So, well, let me go ahead and finish some more of my face, and then I'll come back on and brush this off. And then I think that's about it. Yes. So I'll be right back. And now it's time for the nitty gritty of what I think about these sponges. I'm doing this video, whatever it takes, even with the baby. All right, you guys, so let me go ahead and give you guys a verdict of what I think about these sponges, okay? So I do like these sponges. Only thing I'm not too fond about is the Sculpt and Shaped sponge. This sponge, it's cool, you know, with the different shapes and everything, but I don't like the way it took me a while to blend out the foundation, for one. It's just really like, it's just so flimsy, like, I don't know, it's just really flimsy. Like, yeah, I can get in the corner, but it bends, you know what I'm saying? And then I do like the fact that I'm able to sculpt, though you can do that. It does do pretty good with that when you're trying to carve out your face, like on the sides and everything. So that is a good plus to this. It still feels good, nice and squishy. But this is not my favorite sponge. Pinpoint sponge, I like this a lot. Like, I really do. It blended out the foundation like seamlessly, like, and it was fairly quick. It's big, it's nice and squishy, and the tip of it's flimsy as well, but it's a little bit thicker at the tip. I know I didn't really do too much of a review of the bigger version of the sponge that they already brought out, because I personally already like that sponge anyway. I did have to go back. I used the bottom of it just to blend out some more on this side. So yeah, overall, do I think it's worth it? I don't think you need to get the entire line, like the entire set. It's all about personal preference. It's not that I completely don't like this sponge, I just like this one better. So if you're gonna spend your coin on the new sponges for Dose of Colors, definitely get the pinpoint one. It's fun, it's cute, and I love it. And you know, if you want to cover more surface area, then you can purchase the jumbo one as well. So yeah. All right, so that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you could tell I'm being very transparent when it comes to these sponges, and you guys can see it yourself, how some of it did well and some of it didn't do well. And yeah, share the love, okay? Hey you guys, that is the end of the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed the review of these new sponges. Remember, this one is the Sculpt and Shape, this is Pinpoint, and then this is just the Jumbo and the regular schmegler sponge. They individually retail for $17, and for a set, $66, $44, something around that range. So another thing about these sponges, they are paraben, latex, disulfate, and phthalates free. I know I said that wrong. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and also be sure to share to everybody whom you love and like and kind of like, or even if you don't like, just share the video, okay? All right, we'll see you next time. Bye. Is that funny? Bye. Love you too.
Perfect.